Hello everyone, this is Anika Mishra. I study in grade 7 and today I am going to show you some really easy tricks to learn the first 20 elements, the atomic mass and etc. So these are the first 20 elements: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium and calcium. And these are the symbols of the first 20 elements. Most of the people find difficult to learn these first 20 elements. So I have a really easy trick so that you can learn these first 20 elements. Hello, hi, listen BBC News on Friday night. ना मांगो आलिया से paper, scissors, clay or kaju katli. So this is the mnemonic through which you can learn the first 20 elements. So hello hydrogen, hi helium, listen lithium, B beryllium, B boron, C carbon, news nitrogen, on oxygen, Friday fluorine, night neon, uh, na sodium, mango magnesium, alia aluminium, say silicon, paper phosphorus, scissors sulfur, clay chlorine or argon, kaju potassium, katli calcium. So this is a easy trick that you can use to learn the first 20 elements. Hello, hi, listen BBC News on Friday night. Na mango alia se paper, scissors, clay or kaju katli. Now, an element. What is an element? An element is a pure substance. Pure substance meaning? Pure substance means it is made up of only one kind of atom. An element is a pure substance, which means it is made up of only one kind of atom. Now, if I take an example of sodium metal, so sodium is an element, everyone knows that. If I take an example of sodium metal, and if we cut sodium metal, we will get sodium metal only. We will not get anything else because it is made up of only one kind of atom. It is made up of sodium atom only. So we will get sodium only. Okay, and um, an element is a pure substance, okay, and it cannot be broken down into two or more substances by any chemical means. So an element is a pure substance, which means made up of only one kind of atoms, and it cannot be broken down into two or more substances by any chemical means. Okay. Now, the basic unit of an element is atom. Okay. So the basic unit of an element is atom. Okay. An atom is made up of three things. Atom is made up of three things: electron, proton, and neutron. So electron has negative charge, proton has positive charge, and neutron has no charge. Neutron is neutral, so no charge. Okay. Now the mass of proton is 1 amu, mass of neutron is 1 amu, and mass of electron is 1 by 1836, the mass of a proton. AMU stands for atomic mass unit. Okay, so the basic unit of an element is atom, and atom is made up of three things: electron, proton, and neutron. Electron has negative charge, proton has positive charge, neutron has no charge. The mass of proton is 1 amu, mass of neutron is 1 amu, and mass of electron is 1 by 1836, the mass of a proton. Okay, AMU stands for atomic mass unit. Now, atomic number and mass number of an element. So atomic number of an element represents number of proton, and the symbol of atomic number is Z. So atomic number of an element represents number of protons, and the symbol of atomic number is Z. Mass number of an element represents total number of protons plus total number of neutrons, and the symbol of mass number is A. So proton plus neutron is called nucleons. So when proton and neutrons are together, it is called nucleons. So we can even say that mass number of an element represents total number of nucleons, or we can say mass number of an element represents total number of protons plus total number of neutrons. The symbol of atomic number is Z and mass number is A. Now, an atom is electrically neutral, meaning it has no charge. So, no charge on an atom. Now, how is an atom electrically neutral? How? I'll tell you. Atomic number equals to number of protons and equals to number of electrons, meaning Z equals to P equals to E. Z is atomic number, P is number of protons, and E is number of electrons. Okay. So the symbol of proton is small p, symbol of electron is small e, and symbol of atomic number is capital Z. Okay. So P equals to E. P has positive charge, E has negative charge. And this is how an atom is electrically neutral, meaning it has no charge. Okay. Now, structure of an atom. So this is the structure of an atom. So here this is the nucleus, okay, and in the nucleus proton and neutrons are present, and the mass of an atom is also present in the center of the atom, which is the nucleus. So proton, neutrons, and the mass of the atom are all are there in the nucleus. Okay. Now these are the circular imaginary parts, or we call them shell. These. Okay. And these are the electrons. These small circles you see, these are the electrons. Electrons revolve around the nucleus. Electrons revolve around the nucleus. Okay. And these are the circular imaginary path, also called shell. Now, atomic number and mass number of an element, everything is listed here. Now, I won't say you have to learn this. There's a really easy trick to learn this. You just don't have to by heart it. I have a really easy trick. So, how to know the atomic number? Now that mnemonic, I told you right before the hi, hello, listen, BBC News. So I'll just go there once. Yeah, this one. So hello, hi, this will help you to remember the order of the elements. Now hydrogen is coming first, so its atomic number will be 1. Helium is coming second, so its atomic number will be 2. Lithium is coming third, so its atomic number will be 3. Like that for all these elements. Okay. So now we know how to calculate the atomic number. But how do we calculate the mass number of an element? I'll tell you, no worries. Listen. Here helium has atomic number 2. 2 is an even number. So if the atomic number is an even number, the mass number will be double of it. Meaning here 2 is the atomic number. Double of 2 is 4. So 4 will be the atomic 4 will be the mass number of helium. Okay. If I take an example of boron, boron has atomic number 5. So 5 is an odd number. So if the atomic number is an odd number, then the mass number will be double plus 1, which means, see here, atomic number is 5. 5 is an odd number. So double of 5 is 10. And 10 plus 1 is 11. So the mass number of boron will be 11. And it is the same way for others, but there are some exceptions, like for hydrogen, its atomic number is 1, but mass number is also 1. And for beryllium, its atomic number is 4, but mass number is 9. And for nitrogen, its atomic number is 7, but mass number is 14. There are exceptions, but no problem. But for the others, you can apply these tricks, and these are the approximate mass number values. Okay. So Hydrogen has atomic number 1, mass number 1. Helium has atomic number 2, mass number 4. Lithium has atomic number 3, mass number 7. Beryllium has atomic number 4, mass number 9. Boron has atomic number 5, mass number 11. Carbon has atomic number 6, mass number 12. Nitrogen has atomic number 7, mass number 14. Oxygen has atomic number 8 and mass number 16. Uh, Fluorine has atomic number 9, mass number 19. Neon has atomic number 10, mass number 20. Sodium has atomic number 11, mass number 23. And magnesium has atomic number 12, mass number 24. Now we have more elements. So aluminium has atomic number 13 and mass number is 27. So here if you see, atomic number is 13. 13 is a odd number. So how will we calculate the mass number? 13, double of 13 is 26 and 26 plus 1 is 27. So 27 will be the mass number of aluminium. And same way with silicon. The atomic number of silicon is 14. 14 is a even number. So the mass number will be double. So double of 14 is 28. Phosphorus atomic number 15, mass number 31. Sulfur atomic number 16, mass number 32. Chlorine atomic number 17, mass number 35. Argon atomic number 18, mass number 40. So this is also an exception. Argon is also exception. Okay. Now potassium atomic number 19, mass number 39. And calcium atomic number 20, mass number 40. So this is the trick to calculate the mass number. If atomic number is an even number, then the mass number will be double. So let the atomic number be x. Okay, let the atomic number be x. So the mass number will be 2x, meaning 2 into x, 2 into the atomic number, double of it. So example here 6. Suppose 6 is the atomic number. So the mass number will be 2 into 6. Double of 6, 2 into 6, which is 12. Okay. Now if the atomic number is an odd number, then the mass number will be double plus 1. So let the atomic number be y. Okay. So the mass number will be 2y plus 1, meaning double plus 1. So 2 into y plus 1. So here if 9 is atomic number, then the mass number will be 2 into 9 plus 1, meaning double plus 1, which is 18. 2 into 9 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So 19 will be the mass number. Okay. Now these are the exceptions here. So hydrogen has atomic number 1 and mass number 1. Beryllium has atomic number 4, mass number 9. Nitrogen has atomic number 7, mass number 14. Argon has atomic number 18 and mass number 14. There are only these exceptions. Okay, exceptions are everywhere. Okay. Now this is how we write atomic number and mass number of an element. Okay, so this is the element and atomic number is represented by Z and mass number represented by A. So we will write the element, and on the down we will write the atomic number, and up we will write mass number. Okay, so here had beryllium, if you see, down we will write atomic number 4, up we will write mass number 9. Okay, now let's solve some questions. We have learned a lot of things till now, so time to solve some questions. Okay, so first question: sodium has atomic mass of 23 and atomic number is 11. Find out number of electrons, protons and neutrons. So how do we solve this question? Come, let's. So first in the question we should see what all information do we have, what all information do we get. So the atomic mass, we know in the question it's written atomic mass 23 and atomic number 11. Mass, atomic mass is represented by A, atomic number is represented by Z. Now I told you guys that an atom is electrically neutral, which means Z equals to P, P equals to E. atomic number equals to protons equals to electrons. So if the atomic number is 11, then the number of protons will also be 11 and the number of electrons will also be 11. So we found out that a number of protons and number of electrons are 11. We found out that. Now how do we find out number of protons? I'll tell you. So to find the number of neutrons, I mean, how do we find the number of neutrons? So to find the number of neutrons, it is A minus Z, meaning atomic mass minus atomic number. So atomic mass is 23 and atomic number is 11. So 23 minus 11 equals to 12. So number of neutrons is 12. And number of protons 11, number of electrons 11 and number of neutrons 12. Okay. One more question we have here, that an element has number of neutrons 14 and number of protons 13. What will be the atomic number and mass number? So we should first see what all information we are getting from the question. So from the question we know that number of neutrons 14 and number of proton is 13. This we know from the question. Now again I'm saying an atom is electrically neutral, which means proton equals to electron and electron equals to atomic number. P equals to E equals to Z. Okay, so we know that number of proton is 13, the number of electron also is 13, and then then atomic number will also be 13 because an atom is electrically neutral, right? So we found out that atomic number is 13. Okay, now how do we find out the mass number? So mass number, to find out the mass number, it's the total number of protons plus total number of nucleons. I told you, right? So proton plus neutrons equals to the mass number. So here we have protons 13 and neutrons 14. So 13 plus 14 is 27. So the mass number is 27. So this is how we solve these kind of questions.
How was the video? First, I thought chemistry was very tough, but chemistry is really easy and interesting. I'll keep posting tricks, and when you have tricks, nothing's tough. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.